at the runtime, the compiler decide whether the string is a small string or is it a large string. So this is being determined by the compiler based on the string that the user has input. So whatever the user string has been input, it is the string size is not fixed. As we know, due to the lexicographical representation of the strings in Swift, we do not have the string size fixed. So whatever the input is there on the runtime, the compiler will decide if the string is in the small. So our small strings are as definitely will be stored in the stack, but if the strings are of large type, so then they would be stored in the heap memory. So it all depends upon the user input or where from where we are fetching the string. So if the string is of a very large size, so let's say if we are using UFT 8 encoding or we are using UFT 16 encoding, so depending upon whatever the character it stores, every character in the string has whatever size. So let's say if it is having a 4-bit of size, if we have a emoji here and there are 5 emojis that we are sending in the string, so 4 into 5 makes it 20 bytes. So 20 bytes it might be storing in the heap memory. So if we have a small character that is of UFT8 encoding, in UFT8 we have 1 byte character. So we have 20, let's say, and that 20 bytes could be stored in a heap memory. Or if we have 5 letters in the string and they are UFT8 encoding, so we can store those in the stack memory. So it all depends on what encoding technique we are using and what is the string size. So that's why